Burning with passion always gives you courage, and never give up policy will make you master of your own passion. Welcome to my channel Rising Personalities, and today we will talk about most talented personality Shlok Srivastav, who is an Indian YouTuber, influencer and entrepreneur in technology industry. He is also known as a man behind one of the biggest tech channels in the world. Shlok Srivastav का YouTube channel named Tech Burner is best known for releasing review films on gadgets, phones and other technological things. Before starting about Shlok Srivastav's life journey and his career, पहले ये जानते हैं why his channel named as Tech Burner. Shlok Srivastav बताते हैं when he started brainstorming about name for his channel, he had a moment of realization where he thought we all have this fire burning inside us. और फिर इसी thought से he gave a name to his channel Tech Burner. Shlok Srivastav was born on December 3rd, 1995 in Noida, उत्तर प्रदेश. इन्होंने अपनी स्कूलिंग दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल से करी है. और अगर हम बात करें इनकी फैमिली की, तो श्लोक doesn't like to talk about his family. The identities of his parents are unknown. Aside from his sister Riya Srivastav, who frequently appears in images and videos with Shlok. इसके अलावा श्लोक ने अपनी फैमिली की कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर नहीं करी है. Though his father worked as government employee and his mother is a housewife. Coming to his education, श्लोक श्रीवास्तव ने after school Delhi Engineering College में enroll किया, from where he completed Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering and initially he used to work as developer. अब हम बात करें श्लोक श्रीवास्तव की इंटरेस्ट एंड पैशन की और कैसे इन्होंने अपने पैशन को करियर बनाया. श्लोक श्रीवास्तव ने पहली बार अपना करियर एज वीडियो प्रोड्यूसर 10th स्टैंडर्ड में स्टार्ट किया. He did it for the sole delight of passing time. Initially इन्होंने फोन, कैमरा और लैपटॉप की हेल्प से वीडियो बनानी स्टार्टिंग में श्लोक ने इंग्लिश में वीडियोस बनानी स्टार्ट की. Later on he switched to make videos in Hindi to target Indian audiences. आगे बढ़ते हैं और बात करते हैं कि श्लोक श्रीवास्तव ने कैसे अपने पैशन को फॉलो किया और अपना करियर बिल्ड किया थ्रू हिज YouTube चैनल. फिर हम बात करेंगे उनके स्टार्टअप ब्रांड्स की और नेटवर्थ की और उनके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में. श्लोक श्रीवास्तव began his YouTube channel on September 26, 2014 and his debut video was published on September 29, 2014 while he was still in college. उनकी फर्स्ट वीडियो थी on smartwatch review and breakdown. श्लोक श्रीवास्तव की एक ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो How to root your phone ने उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट किया था. इस वीडियो में he received many positive feedbacks from around 10 people and इनके कमेंट्स के थ्रू इंटरैक्शन करते करते he made his video more informative to people. Then he decided to add humor and jokes to his videos that kept his viewers engaged. In an interview, श्लोक ने बताया था that he convinced his parents that he would not attend campus placements and requested 2 years to pursue his passion after reaching 10,000 subscribers. और फिर यहीं से उन्हें लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा टर्निंग पॉइंट मिला, where he earned name and fame from his channel Tech Burner. अपने करियर को स्टेक पर रख के अपने पैशन को फॉलो करने का उनका ये डिसीजन आज श्लोक श्रीवास्तव के लिए एक बेस्ट डिसीजन साबित हुआ और उन्होंने काफी व्यूअर्स ग्रैब किए. And currently he is having approximately 1.07 crore subscribers in his YouTube channel named Tech Burner. Other than his Tech Burner channel, he runs 9 more YouTube channels which are based on technology. Achievements की बात करें तो श्लोक के obsession of gadgets ने उनके चैनल नेम Tech Burner को एक well known brand in India का टैग ही लगा दिया. Also, he was featured in Forbes 30 Under 30 in 2022. Moreover, he found himself lucky as he got an opportunity to interview Madhav Sheth, who is CEO and Vice President at Realme India and Europe. Along with his YouTube channel, श्लोक श्रीवास्तव ने अपना एक clothing brand start किया named Overlays Clothing. This brand presents trendiest graphic T-shirts and most unique designs that one could ever lay their eyes on. Overlays के brand के description के message में श्लोक श्रीवास्तव कहते हैं, To us, quality is something that cannot be compromised. We focus on refining the small details like the fabric fittings and quality to increase their functionality in everyday life. We believe in making something unique that gives fashion vibes and promise maximum comfort. फिर कुछ साल बाद in September 2022 he finally launched Layers.shop. Layers is a store for mobile and laptop skins जो कि exclusively designed by him and his team. In this brand, products are full of unmatched and exquisite designs that will catch anyone's eye. श्लोक का contribution towards tech world is truly noteworthy. Also, Shlok Srivastava and Saurabh Joshi are director of Enterprises SJS Dilse Private Limited. In addition, Shlok Srivastava is currently associated with 4 more companies and is director with Overlays Clothing Private Limited, Layers Electronic Private Limited, Burner Digital Private Limited and iBurner Digital Private Limited. Moving towards Shlok Srivastava's wealth, he is one of the highest paid tech YouTubers in India. His net worth exceeds roughly 24 crores Indian rupees. He makes money from his YouTube channel, sponsorships, collaboration and from his clothing and phone skin businesses. Even he holds several properties in India, including his home and several offices. TechBurner has a small car collection. कुछ साल पहले he bought Tata Harrier and recently he purchased a BMW X5 M Sports. Shlok Srivastava का एक certain word always keep him going and that certain word something is the why. इनका हर एक एक्शन के पीछे छुपा ये वर्ड वाई इन्हें अपने एम्बिशन को पूरा करने में हेल्प करता रहा। तो इस सक्सेसफुल स्टोरी से वन शुड लर्न टू नेवर गिव अप एंड कीप गोइंग। एंड ऐसे ही सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज को सुनने के लिए लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल राइजिंग पर्सनालिटीज वेयर वी विल कम विद अमेजिंग सक्सेसफुल टेल्स।